Kodwa namhlanje sithola isimanga kuthiwa uMetro FM as nominated oMaskandi.
Kancane ngavota bayawazi amabhinqa.
Niyasidakelwa. Mina njengopresident of the Bhinqa Nation, I would try to say it loud and clear. And as a commander in chief, angivumi futhi ngithi kimi gini emabhinqa ami boMaskandi bami, whomever is nominated there must withdraw with immediate effect. Ngoba we are being used. Siyasetshenziswa singamabhinqa. Uma beneqiniso ngoba beza la KwaZulu-Natal bafuna ukudla imali kahulumeni nemali umasipala weTheku la KwaZulu-Natal. We are being used, siyasetshenziswa. Khumbula mina ngaloya enyaka amaMetro FM eza la kwazi ukufela kusayina u30 million osasayinwa uDuma esekwa economic development. Leyo kwakwazi kwaba nearrange njanyana kwabonakala bebenza ubugebengu emveni kwaloko leyo mali leyo kwathi uyayiphindela emuva yabona wayise ethi uyaxolisa udoti lento yenzakalayo uthathwa amaciko ethu oMaskandi bethu bafakwa kwi-corruption ye-Metro FM ke iyazi kahle ukuthi into enobhinqa nobuzulu nesiko ayifuni kodwa ngoba they are chasing numbers. Now we find ourselves here as amabhinqa. For me, as a leader of Amabhinqa, as a commander of Amabhinqa, whomever artist is nominated there must withdraw with immediate effect.
As much as Metro FM kunama awards ebizwa ngegama lawo kuthiwa Metro FM Awards, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku ama awards asuke efaka wonke umuntu, efaka wonke ama-genre ukuthi yena abantu be-included. Elendisiye iMetro FM iyamemezela ukuthi yena isizo-expanda i-catalog yabo bebheke nakwamanye ama-genre ukuthi angeke yini bewa-add laphana kuma-awards. Enye beneficiary eyathola ukuthi yena-ke edeke ngoba yiwo uMaskandi nelekompo neminye-ke iminxa-ke ekhona. Kodwa-ke uMaskandi-ke kwangalindelekile izinto ey'ningi kangaka. Njengamanje kune-category best Maskandi, kube nani best song of the year uMaskandi khona lapho, best viral challenge okwaMaskandi khona lapho. It means that finally amakhampani amaningi aseyakubona ukubaleka kwaMaskandi. Kodwa ungizwe kwi-show or kwi-podcast kaMacG ekade idlala-ke izolo ukuvezile ukuthi ama-Metro FM afuna ukuthi-ke azo-hijacka i-popularity kaMaskandi ngokuthi uMaskandi-ke abantu be-recognize sebefuna bona ukuthi bezo-hijacka because kuyaziwa ukuthi amabhinqa ayavota and avota ngampela. Kodwa lokhu okwenzakalayo ukuthi bengene laphana kuma-Metro yikho impela kuzobakhulisa even more, kuzobanika ama-opportunities amaningi ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi bocula neminye iminxa laphana ekhona endimeni, bengagcini bela kobani koKhozi FM kuphela umhlobo wenene, kodwa bekwazi ukucula nabanye abantu. Lokho kuzobanika i-exposure enhle kakhulu. Angeke ngithi mhlawumbe ungizwe lokhu kushiswa ukuthi maybe ubani khona ongekho kulabo bantu laba ingakho ekhuluma nje. Umbono wakhe naye lokho ngendlela abona ngayo, kodwa ngithi mina lokhu kuyokhulisa kakhulu uMaskandi ukuthi yena-ke sibabona abafowethu njengoba bahlala esikhala ukuthi asiwuboni uMaskandi. Uma usukhona-ke akungabe futhi kube yithi esiphinde sicomplainayo, bayogcina bengazi-ke abantu bazokwenza kanjani. Abasifaka siyacomplaina, uma singekho siyacomplaina. Ngelinye ilanga maybe bayodlala lowo Maskandi lo kuMetro, kodwa kwamanje awakafithi uMaskandi ngokwendlela bona abahlele ngakhona izinto. Maybe one day kuyolunga lokho, angazi. Nokhuzana ukhona laphana, kodwa-ke engikubona mina ukuthi nje asibanikeni ithuba sibone ukuthi into iyasebenza yini. Nisalahle sizodibana kusasa.